I finally got the dry cell installed. It's right in front of my radiator, and it's in a 89 325i BMW. And you can see the cell tucked away in there. There's a little bit of room back here between the radiator. It's a 4-cell, 21 plates, and I've got a continuous duty solenoid from Napa Auto Parts, $33. Some straps in here secured at the top, and a bubbler with a blow off at the very top there. And you can see it down there through the vents, sitting right on top of the oil cooler. Here's my reservoir bubbler gas collection device. Right above here I have bronze wool shoved inside here. Here's the outlet back to the cell. Right above this fitting I have a piece of stainless wedged in here with small 1/8" holes drilled through it to act as a baffle. Right up here is the gas comes out of here, and then right here is our inlet from the cell, which, just like normal, 90s and goes down to the bottom and bubbles up through there. And also I have a stock washer reservoir. It has a float in it, and I went ahead and prepped it with a 90-degree barb fitting that I plan on teeing right down into the return line. It just basically slips right in here like that, and the level can be up here, which will keep the level up in the reservoir. So hopefully that'll work really well, give me some extra storage. If the level gets a little bit low, it'll alert me in my car. Here's my new HHO meter. The gas comes in through this line, and it goes back out to the vehicle or to a bubbler. Shut this off. As I open this up, there we go.